Hi there, it's Tiago with another OpenOffice spreadsheet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a table with the powers of 10. Okay, first of all, let's create a column of values n. Okay, so I'm going to call this column over here n. And in this column, I'm going to put the values -7, -6, -5, and I'm going to go all the way up to 7, okay, from here. So up to 7 like this. Let me just make everything go to the left. So over here we have a column of values n, and I'll just highlight that. Now let's create a column for 10 to the power of n, like this. And to do this, what we do is put 10 to the power of -7 over here. Then we put 10 to the power of -6 over here. We select these two cells and we drag down from the right over here all the way up to 10 to the power of 7. And we highlight this cell over here and make 10 to the power of n bold. So as you can see, we have this nice and neat column over here. Now the next step will be to put these values over here into digits. So let's create a column for the digits. I'm going to write in digits over here. I'll make this bold, I'll highlight it, and I'll expand a bit. Now let's select the cells over here, right click, then go to Format Cells. What we're going to have is numbers in this format over here. And we are going to leave 7 decimal places, so we have to put a 7 over here. Next, let's click OK. Now in this cell over here, we're going to write down equals sum in capital letters, then we're going to add brackets, then we're going to put 10 to the power of, in brackets, H5, okay, which is this cell over here. All in capital letters. Let's expand this over here and then drag down this cell over here. Okay, and let's expand again. And as you can see, we have everything in digits. Now the digits over here, from here to here, aren't that neat. So let's right click on these cells, click Format Cells, and then just select this option over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, with the comma after 1. Okay, and then click OK. As you can see, everything's more clear now, and we have all of these values over here to the left in digits. Alright, so this is how to create a table with the powers of 10. If this content has been useful to you, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. I'm going to be posting more content like this on my channel. If you'd like mathematics proofs related to A-levels, visit instagram.com/mathematics.proofs. This is my page on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you again soon.